your subscribers, they will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just you have problems with your personal hotspot, so how you can also fix it. So now for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings and just turn off Wi-Fi. After, you need to go to cellular data and turn on cellular data. So just check if you turn on cellular data, because I will show you if you turn it off, you won't have access for opening a personal hotspot settings, so you need to turn it on. So after, just open personal hotspot, just check if you choose allow others to join, and here you will see your Wi-Fi password. So also after, or on another device you want to connect to your personal hotspot, you need to choose in Wi-Fi networks. You will see name of your iPhone, so you can check a name of your iPhone in the general, in the about. So here you will see name of your iPhone, you will see it in your Wi-Fi networks. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.